Namaste everyone.
Namaste.
We are the Pikachu band since 2000 अहिले कति हो
2024
अहिले 2020 26 we are the Pikachu band since 2023 मा सुरु गरेको हो अनि we have
on our bass guitarist
we have our guest हैन हाम्रो गेस्टबाटै सुरु गरौँ हैन तर हिज अब सायद पर्मानेन्ट हुन्छ होला हैन हाम्रो अनि we have rhythm guitarist plus vocalist. His name is Anil Lama. Thank you. On our vocalist, we have Chris motherfucking Ryan. Alright, up for Chris. On our bass guitar. Alright. We've got
last but not the least भन्ने चाहिँ त अघि नै भन्ने
म खै
यति नै त्यस्तै छ
हो म पछि ड्रम्स हैन र
म अनि तपाईँ हो कि
तपाईँ भन्नु
म
last
लास्टमा
but not the least
भन्ने मान्छे लास्टमा भन्छ
हो Alright. On our drums, the backbone, the one and only most talented of this band, we have Jonathan! Give it up for Jonathan! Alright!
last but not the least
Last but not the least, the like, yeah.
I want to
Big
introduce
supporter of the Pikachu band, me myself, Johnny Clapper!